Welcome to my channel Kukudala Janardhan. Let's start today's job notification. Electronics Corporation of India Limited (ECIL), public sector enterprise under Department of Atomic Energy, is looking for a dynamic and result-oriented person for the following position purely on fixed tenure contract basis for a period of 2 years. It can be extended on project requirements. So let's see the name of the post: technical officer and contract category 1, technical officers on contract category 2, and technical officer on category contract category 3. For category 1, the number of posts 2 for Mumbai, 2 for Mumbai and Tarapur, and 1 for Kaiga. The technical officers on category 3, the number of 2 posts for Hyderabad and 1 post for Lucknow. The upper age is 30 years and the maximum pay 23,000 rupees per month. Next, the scientific assistant A on contract basis, the number of posts are 6 for a Mumbai, and scientific assistant A on contract 1 for Tarapur, 1 for Kaiga. Maximum age is 25 years and the maximum pay is 19,864 per month. The technical assistant or scientific assistant on contract 1 for Gauri Bidanur, 25 years, for maximum age 19,864 rupees per month is the maximum package. The junior artisan on contract, number of posts are 2 for Mumbai, 1 for Tarapur, 1 for Kakrapar, 1 for Kalapakam, 1 for Kudankulam, 1 for Kota. The maximum age is 25 years and 18,000 rupees, 18,070 rupees per month is the salary. So let's dive into the qualification and experience. The technical officer on contract category 1 must have passed a full-time degree in electronics and communication, electronics and electronics and instrumentation or computer science or information technology with 60% of marks, and it should have 1 year post qualification experience in the field of maintenance or testing of computer hardware, Linux, networking and Windows OS. For the post 2, the technical officers and contract category 2, a first class degree in electronics and telecommunication with 60% of marks in any from a recognized university. And he must have a 1 year post qualification experience in the field of computer hardware, Linux, Windows, networking, and basic knowledge in electrical system. The technical officers and a contract category 3, a first class degree in electronics and communication with 60% of marks and 1 year post qualification experience in the field of communication systems like VSAT, radio frequency, basic concepts and networking, exposure and operating systems like Linux. For a post of scientific assistant on a contract category 1, a first class full time diploma in electronics and communication, electronics and instrumentation or information technology with 60% of marks and 1 year post qualification experience in the field of computer hardware, Linux, Windows OS, and networking. Scientific assistant on a contract category 2, a first class diploma in electronics and communication, electrical and electronics communication engineering with a minimum 60% of marks and 1 year post qualification experience in the field of testing and maintenance of electronics, instrumentation systems, communication gadgets, and computers. Technical assistant and scientific assistants on a contract, a full-time diploma in electronics and communication, and electrical and electronics or electronics instrumentation or computer science engineering with 60% of marks are first class BSc degree in mathematics or physics or computers or electronics with minimum 60% of marks from a recognized Indian university. Next, junior artisan on contract should have ITI completed 2 years duration in the trades of electronics or computers or instrumentations or radio and TV. Minimum 1 year post qualification experience in the field of testing and maintenance of electronics and instrumentation system, communication gadgets or computers. So method of selection for the post 2 and 3, the candidates will be shortlisted on the basis of marks they obtain in the educational qualification. They will be called in the 1:5 ratio. The shortlisted candidates will be called for virtual interview and selected based on the performance and relevant experience. For the post of 4, 5, 6, and 7, the candidates will be shortlisted on the basis of education marks obtained in the education qualification in the order of their merit 1:5. The shortlisted candidates will be selected on the relevant experience, successful document verification. No interview for post of 4, 5, 6, and 7. The date of interview and document verification will be intimated for the selected candidate through a mail. So reservation as per the government guidelines only. General conditions. Degree of disability for PW candidates is above 40% above, will all eligible. So only online register application form will be accepted. For more queries, candidates may visit online link in ECL website and go through the frequently asked questions section. ECL will not responsible for network or internet related issues during application procedure. Or how to apply. Eligible candidates will should go through the www.ecil.co.in and through followed by career, followed by e-recruitment portal. So 5th August notification has to click and we have to apply for the through it. So document verification requires the documents are the online registered application form duly signed with recent color passport size photo affix all certificate in support of his or her date of birth identity the government issued Aadhaar card driving license passport any one of and qualification experience if any latest caste and disability PW certificate wherever if applicable so and photocopies relieving letter issued by the employer if any category of certificate in support of SC/ST and OBC for reservation. So important dates are online applications will be start from the 5th August to 2020. And the last date for online application for the 18th August 2020. The document verification date or interview date will be intimated through a ECL website and will be given sent email to people. So ఇది మనకు ఈసీఎల్ నుంచి వచ్చినటువంటి జాబ్ నోటిఫికేషన్ అండ్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ క్యాండిడేట్స్ కెన్ అప్లై అండ్ ప్లీజ్ షేర్ టు యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ and please subscribe to Kukudala Janardhan. Thank you.